Check it out, we're back over here by 400 Beach. Looks like all the water's gone away. That's nice. There was about 8 inches of water or so here just the other day. Hey, hey, hey! Rocking and rolling. These guys are not slowing down. They might even be speeding up. It's looking good. You can hear the work happening. It's nice when you go to a job site and you can hear the work happening. Coming along nicely, guys and gals. Keep up the good work, guys. Looks good. Have a great day. 400 Beach. Coming along nicely. Hey, hey. Looking good. Keep up the good work. Have a great day, guys. Looking good. Right on. God bless America.